So if you've been looking how to make money online and trying to figure out how to trade, but courses are too expensive or just having trouble trying to find someone that's reliable, look no further, right? Do me a favor, follow this YouTube channel right here, click the link below as I drop weekly content in regards to trading for beginners, intermediate, all the way to advanced level so you can become a consistent, profitable trader. Welcome aspiring billionaires. In today's video, we're going to actually go over Forex 101. We're going to go over, pips, lot sizes, TPs, SLs, what all that means, and pretty much the basic terminology that's going to help you pretty much start your journey into this trading path, right? So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I drop every single week where we will get, trading breakdowns, educational videos in regards to trading, pretty much trying to get you in there the most information as possible so that way you can get going and become a profitable trader as well. Okay, so the first big term that I want you to write down is pips, P-I-P-S, points in percentage or percentage in points, right? People say it differently. It all means the same thing, points and percentage, right? And all this is how the market is measured, right? And this is pretty much a metric system, right? I want everyone to actually switch it in terms of steps, which I find it a lot easier to explain, right? So pips, people can say, you may hear people say things like, oh, the market just went up 50 pips, or 30 pips, or the market went down 20 pips, 30 pips, right? Again, this is the metric system in which the market is measured, right? But for better comprehension, I like to tell people, think about pips as steps, right? So when the market goes up, you can say the market went up 50 steps, right? Just to kind of understand it a little better. Or if the market goes down, you want to say the market went down 50 steps or backed up 50 steps, or, pretty much that's what that is, right? So again, it's the metric system in which the market is measured. So the next term is lot size. And all you pretty much want to think of lot size is what you are risking in the market, right? So lot sizes in the Forex community actually won't be, I'm risking $1, $2, $3. It won't be as simple as putting that into, your application, which is MT4, which I'll make another video on. It's actually going to show up a little different. So for examples, I'm going to put up right here, a 0.01 is actually the equivalent of 10 cents, right? So the 0.01 would be the lot size that you are risking, meaning you are risking 10 cents. Right? So if I wanted to put 0.1, I'm actually now risking $1, right? If I put 1.0, I'm now risking $10, right? So I'm actually going to put a little cheat sheet right here so that way you can correlate the two, what is lot size compared to the dollar amount, right? So again, keep in mind, lot size is just what you are risking in the market. So now you're probably thinking, all right, you told me about pips, you told me about lot size. Omar, how does this help me make money? So now I'm going to actually give you the formula that is used in order to calculate your reward, because at the end of the day, realistically speaking, that's why people start trading, right? It's either for passion, lack of time, or lack of money, right? One of the three is always the case as to why people start trading, right? So now the formula is pips times lot size equals reward, right? So what does that mean? So let's give an example. So if I'm aiming for 50 pips, right? And it's times my lot size, and let's say I'm risking $1, right? 50 times 1 is 50. So my reward now becomes $50, right? So now if I'm risking, $2 and I make those same 50 pips, I now make $100, right? So that's how the metric system works, and that's like the really simplified format that I can give you. Again, pause the video. I'm gonna drop a cheat sheet in which you can screenshot, take picture of, or just come back to the video to check it out, right? So that's just, again, for the lack of, mathematical equations and everything, to make it as simple as possible for you, right? So 50 pips times $1 that I'm risking, which is my lot size, equals $50 reward, right? So now the question now becomes, are you getting in for a buy or for a sell? Which a lot of people don't know is you can make money when the market goes up, and you can also make money when the market comes down, right? So you have to be on the right side of pretty much the market to make money. So if I'm going into the market for a buy, right, I'm anticipating that the market is going to go up, right? So if I'm at, in a buy and I collect 50 pips for $1 lot size, I make $50 because the market went up. But if I'm in for a buy and the market comes down, I'm actually starting to lose money because the market isn't headed in my direction, right? But if I click sell, that means that I'm anticipating that the market will go down from where I got in the trade, right? So if I go in for a sell and the market goes down 50 pips and my lot size is $1, right? I now make $50. But if I'm in for a sell at my entry and it goes up, I end up losing money. So the next term that I'm actually going to go over is stop loss, right? So stop loss is kind of like a safety net, right? Pretty much a way in order for you to cut your losses short. So this is a way of saying if my account reaches negative $15 or $20 or $100, whatever the case is, automatically take me out the trade, right? This is perfect for people who aren't actively looking at the charts while trading, right? You may jump into a trade, you may have a family that you're with, or you may be working out, doing the dishes, at work, whatever the case is, right? If the trade hits this particular number, it'll automatically take you out the trade without you having to do anything else, right? So again, this is like a safety net for you. So this is again an easy way for you to cut your losses short. The next one is called take profit, which a lot of people call TP, right? This is another kind of way of pretty much getting you out of the trade without you having to do anything, and this is in regards to profit. So again, if you're doing the dishes with your family, at work, at the gym, whatever the case is, if the trade hits this numeric number, so if the trade reaches $100 in profit, automatically take me out this trade, right? So the system will automatically take you out at $100 profit, no more, no less. So just to recap, we went over what the foreign exchange market is, which is the largest financial market in the world. We went over pips, which is, a metric system in which the market is measured. We went over lot sizes, in which is pretty much the risk that we are assuming while we are trading. We went over the trading formula, which is pips times lot size equals reward. We went over SL, which is a metric system that helps us not or cut our losses short. And then we went over TP, which is another safety net that helps take us out of the trade when we reach a certain profit. All right, so if you learned something in this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Support is free, as I will be dropping more educational videos every week, as I'll also do a little bit of lifestyle, where I'll show my trading styles, my strategies, pretty much show you how you can make money as well, right? So with that being said, again, thank you guys, appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and drop my Instagram here, as we are closing in on 4,000 followers. The Twitch, at 50 followers on Twitch, I'm going to do a giveaway, right? So out of all 50 followers, someone will be getting something very, very special. So make sure you follow me on Twitch, where I'll be dropping live analysis, pretty much looking at the charts real time, trying to get into trades, again, for educational and entertainment purposes. If you decide to get in on those trades on your own, again, understand that I am not a financial advisor, and everything I do is pretty much on my personal bias, right? So again, make sure you follow Instagram, make sure you follow Twitch, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.